wig maker. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. This is my cousin. If you remember, in a previous video, I made her hair unit and I am going to install it today. She has alopecia, as I do, so I want it to look natural. I want her to feel comfortable wearing it. So these are the considerations I keep in mind when I'm making my hair units. And of course, my liquid adhesive cream is back. It is absolutely phenomenal for giving a transparent, seamless installation. I hope you will enjoy watching this installation and my cousin's beauty transformation. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back again, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Take care and stay safe out there.